Jai Hind everyone. Our today's topic is simplification. So simplification problems involve two or more operations. Like till now we do the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division separately. Simplification प्रॉब्लम में हमें दो या दो से ज़्यादा ऑपरेशंस भी हो सकते हैं सेम प्रॉब्लम में. ठीक. So this is the rule to solve the simplification problem. D M A S. Okay, D M A S. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. तो हमें इसी ऑर्डर में इन्हें सॉल्व करना होगा. First of all, we have to solve the division in a problem, then we have to solve the multiplication in a problem, then we have to solve the addition in a problem, then we have to solve the subtraction. In case there is no division in the sum, so we start from the multiplication. Okay, so let us understand this thing with the help of example. For example, simplify 36 divided by 6 into 4 plus 2 minus 8. So this is a simplification problem. Now, as I told you earlier, it involves 4 operations, 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one we have to solve at first? We always start from D, means division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So the multiplication sign is between 36 and 6. So first of all, we have to solve these two numbers and write all the other number as it is. Okay, so 36 divided by 6, answer is 6. Now into 4 plus 2 minus 8. ठीक है, हमने एक ऑपरेशन सॉल्व कर लिया, बाकी सारे नंबर एज इट इज लिख लिए, सिर्फ इन दोनों को सॉल्व करके हमारे पास 6 आया. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज बिटवीन 6 and 4. सो पुट अ ब्रैकेट 6 and 4. तो 6 और 4 इन दोनों को अब हम मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. 6 4 जा 24 प्लस 2 माइनस 8. राइट ऑल द अदर नंबर एज इट इज. Okay, now division is done, multiplication done. Now we have to do addition. 24 plus 2 is 26 minus 8. 26 minus 8 is 18. So this is the answer. So like this you have to solve the simplification problem. Let us take one more example to understand it betterly. Six plus 8 divided by 2 minus 2 into 1 plus 5. So this is our second example. According to the simplification rule, that is DMAS. DMAS. First of all, we have to solve the division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So first of all, find the division sign. Here is the division sign. It is between 8 and 2. So we have to divide 8 by 2. Write all the other number as it is, plus minus 2 into 1 plus 5. Just divide 8 by 2. So what is the quotient when we divide 8 by 2? Quotient is 4. So answer is 4. Now division is done. Now we have to do multiplication. So where is multiplication? It is between 2 and 1. Now write all the number as it is and multiply these two numbers. 2 into 1 is 2. Okay. Now division is done, multiplication is done. Now we have to do addition. 6 plus 4 10 plus 5 15. So 15 minus 2. Now addition is also done. 15 minus 2 is 13. So answer is 13. So let us take one more example with some bigger numbers like 2, 3, 7, 4, 1 minus 3, 8, 2, 6 divide by 2 into 6 plus 2, 2, 1. So it is also involve 1, 2, 3, 4 operations. So rule is again same. We have to go by this. First of all addition, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So first of all find if there is a division sign. Yes, there is a division sign between 3, 8, 2, 6 and 2. So first of all divide these two number and write all the other number as it is. So 2, 3, 7, 4, 1 as it is into 6 as it is plus 2, 2, 1 as it is. Just divide these two numbers. So when we divide any number by 2, it means we have to do half of that number. Okay, so half of this number is 1913. Now division is done. Go to multiplication. So where is the multiplication sign? Multiplication sign is between 1913 and 6. So write all the other number as it is and multiply these two numbers. Okay, when we multiply these two numbers, 6 3s are 18, 1 in carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7, again 6 9s are 54, 5 in carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 1 11. So multiplication is also done. Now do the addition. So this number is with positive sign, this number is also with positive sign, so we have to add these two numbers. 2 3 7 1 4, 2 3 7 4 1, 2 2 1, 2 6 9 3 2. So when we add this number and this number, it becomes 2 3 9 6 2 minus 11 4 7 8. Okay, now we have to do the subtraction at last. So when we subtract this number 1 1 4 7 8 from this number, 12 minus 8 is 4, 5 minus means 15 minus 7 is 8, 8 minus 4 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 12,484. So in this way you can solve the simplification sum.